For the spring semester, we're going to be offering 3 main course modalities. 2 of those are going to be online. You can choose online classes that are delivered with no set meeting times, what you know as an asynchronous online class. We're also going to be delivering courses that will have set meeting times for you to live stream with your faculty. We're calling these online live classes, and they have synchronous sessions. And a third modality are hybrid courses. The hybrid courses offer both instruction that's delivered online as well as instruction that's in person. These courses will have portions where you do come to campus. So again, let's review the modalities and let me give you a little more information about each. For our online classes with no set meeting time, you will see that there is no time or day listed under the day time section when you look up the course online and you prepare to register. So if you see an online course and the day and time is not listed, that indicates that this online course does not have any set meeting times. Now, what does that mean? That means that primarily the content is delivered through the Canvas platform, but your instructor is still very much there for you. Your instructor is still engaged in the classroom with you. Does an online class with no set meeting time mean that you never get to talk to your professor live? No, not at all. Your professors are always available. They have office hours that are offered through Zoom. They have meeting times that you can set with them to have a synchronous, real-time conversation if you're struggling with the content. But what it does mean is you have flexibility to sign up for that online class and know that there's nothing you're missing at a regular set time of the week. That you can plan your work around your children, around your work schedule, around the things that you're tending to right now outside of your class experience. That's online, no set meeting time, asynchronous. The second modality that we're offering is what we're calling online live. Online Live is a class where your professor will have a regularly scheduled opportunity each week, and a day and a time will be listed when you look that class up. And that's when your professor is scheduled live sessions through our technology platform like Zoom, where you will have the opportunity to have instructional time every week that you know is happening at that set time. This online live session, does that mean that nothing is delivered in your classroom other than the live lectures? No, not at all. Your instructor will still be posting assignment instructions, likely have some discussion boards online, as well as providing you assessment links to upload your materials. So again, there's 2 online options. One is asynchronous, where there's not a set meeting time each week, but you still have access to your professor. You still have ways to reach out to them and connect through real-time meetings. The second option is online live. Online live is more like a kind of class where you would have the professor 1 or 2 days a week during a set block of time. So if you're choosing online live, it's going to be to your benefit to try to build a schedule where those times are open to you as opposed to working or having family responsibilities during those times. But it's your choice in terms of the best way that you think you will learn. Both kinds of online are designed to provide engagement with your faculty, engagement with your students, and opportunities to engage with the content. The third option is the hybrid option, and that's fairly limited to classes where you really need to come in person for certain types of skill building that just can't be captured totally in the online environment. So for spring, we've designed 3 modalities that we hope will give you the flexibility, the convenience, and the types of options that you need depending on your home situation, your work situation, and your internet and technology capabilities. We look forward to seeing you soon on campus, but until then, we will continue to engage you through our online platforms, our online technology. So take care, be well, stay safe, and hope that we have a great spring registration. Take care.